Right, a TXT file. So you're saying everything that even our conversation is recorded there?
Man, the entire Quran is in that, okay?
Hang on.
This entire book is in the Library of Babel.
So the Library of Babel, B-A-B-E-L. E-L. So everything that we are saying now is in there as well?
Yeah.
Do you really think this is what is there?
No, it's true. You can search it now.
Hang on. How do you know it's not the program putting it in there?
Because you can search through the entire TXT file.
No. If we download the TXT file first,
yeah,
and then we can find it there?
Yeah.
Have you done that before? Have you tested
Yes.
it? Okay.
You can do it on your computer.
So what we can do is...
Absolutely do it.
Okay, so what we can do, we'll go into this, and next time we meet here and see whether we discuss this, everything is in there.
Man, you just need to go home and have a look. It's really fun. Go on.
It's not fun.
Go on your computer.
Do you really think? Okay, just think about it for a second. Just think of, does it have how to make nuclear weapons? All the information is there, right?
Yes.
Right. It tells you exactly who's going to win the lottery tomorrow, right?
It doesn't tell you.
Wait, no. If I say, for example, the winners of the lottery of today or tomorrow, it's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can search it.
Yeah.
So why are people not using that to gamble?
Well, who's going to win? Who's going to win the lottery tomorrow?
It says there already.
Yeah, the answer's there, but you have to find it.
What do you mean find it? You can search it, as you said.
It's going to say Sarah Smith won the lottery.
Wait.
It'll say that somewhere in there.
You said everything that we speak is there.
Yeah.
Every word of the Quran is there.
Yeah.
So, for example, the newspaper, which says, for example, right, the winning lottery numbers are, and these are for tomorrow, for example. Today's 20th of June, 2021.
Yeah.
So we can search the newspaper, which is tomorrow's newspaper, which has the lottery winning numbers, right?
I think what you have to do is wrap your head around.
No. I want you to.
This file is.
I want you to.
If you wanted to say that the winner of the lottery tomorrow is Sarah, you can also find the sentence that said the winner of the lottery tomorrow is Jake. The winner of the lottery tomorrow.
No, what I'm asking you simply is this: you can type in, for example, the headlines for tomorrow's newspaper, and it will be there, right?
Yes.
It will be there today.
Yes.
Right. And you seriously believe in that?
Yes.
Okay. So why don't we do this experiment next week or the week after when you come here in time? Because you're basically saying this particular.
Every news title is there. Every single one. What
I'm saying,
specifics, like I don't know what you mean.
All of the future that's going to happen, all the events, all the newspapers and video recordings, and everything is already recorded there in that text file.
Yes. No, look, 3,200 characters. Every single combination of under 3,200 characters.
I don't understand by 32 characters.
3,200 characters, right?
You
can write any sentence.
No.
Sentence.
That's what I'm asking. We are going to download this text file, and within this text file, everything is written.
Yes.
Right. That means
anything under 3,200 characters. If you want to search for that, you can find it within
I'm simply going to ask, who's going to be the next president of America or any other country, for example? It will be there. It will tell you my name, right?
The answer will be there, but you won't know the answer.
What do you mean the answer will be there?
So, like, if you want to know who the president is going to be in a few years or whatever,
yeah, it will be there.
The answer is there, but it'll only be relevant once that president comes to be.
What do you mean? It's there in black and white, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Right.
There in black and white.
So it's nothing. It doesn't have to be relevant or not. For example, if somebody's interested,
I'm gonna go get some food soon.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna get. Okay, but when I get it, sentence will be in there saying
it will be there.
Fish and
What's your name?
You know,
Ronan. It's already there. The Ronan will have this food.
Yeah. I don't know how it's so difficult to understand. 3,200 characters, any combination, right? It's just maths.
It's not about maths. I am saying you are just simply claiming everything that's going to happen ever in the future, or it's already happened in the past. It's there within that text file.
Yes.
Serious?
Man, just go and search it for whatever, like, whatever you just, everything we're saying right now is happening in the present, but if we looked it up right now, we can find it in the thing.
Yeah.
Okay? That means any word that we say in the future of this conversation will also be in the thing. Go have a look. You know, it's not like, I'm not trying to say it's the answer to all, and it should be a religious following. I'm just saying that any idea that you have is essentially unoriginal because it's already been randomly generated by.
So, for example, to give you an example, we are struggling to find cure for cancer, right? So basically, it has all the scientific papers of the future already in there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Anything under 3,200 characters.
Yeah, it's already there. So for example, if I know what's the cancer for certain brain cancer, it's already there.
Yes.
I can find the Nature publication called the Nature or the Cell.
Man, I should come to Speaker Square and talk about the
No.
Babel a little bit more, like, you know.
No. So you're basically saying, look, the publications there in the peer-reviewed journals of the future, tomorrow, or the next month, or the next year, is already there. It's there in the text file.
Yes.
Of the future.
Yes, of course.
You need to go and eat food, my friend, Ronan.
Why don't you address some of the serious concerns you have?
I don't know what you mean.
Why don't you
all
ask those questions?
All I'm trying to tell you about is
Have they finished? No.
is a guy made a
They haven't finished.
program that was going to generate
Ask them to go.
We spoke. I think we've given enough time, Roman. That one, Roman. We're given enough time.
I know, that's why it all came from.
Do you accept there's a creator?
If I want to,
Can I ask you a serious question? We were talking about earlier the purpose of life. Do you accept there's a creator of this universe? Do you accept there's a cause of the universe?
You mean free will?
No, a creator of the universe. Is there a creator?
Oh, do I think there's like an all-power being like that's constantly overlooking? Probably not. No.
You don't. So you don't believe there's a...
I don't. But no. Here's the honest answer. I don't know, and no one does. You don't. I don't.
But that library does. That text file does.
Yeah, probably does, man.
Probably?
Yeah.
Why probably, not certainly?
You said certainly.
Because if that answer,
Hang on, I'm confused now.
If that answer is ever found, it's probably
It's in the
defined
text
in
file.
under 3,200 letters.
It's in the
alright?
text file, right?
It's probably defined in under 3,200 letters. If we ever find a definitive answer, it's there, right?
What you are not explaining is this. How big is the text file?
How did I get that many cameras? I need to go. I
Yes.
don't know where my friend
Ronan,
is. Like,
how big is the text file?
the text file is.
Your friends are here. They're there.
How many books can it contain within the text
I'll
file?
tell you. Here, we'll go through it.
Yeah.
The Library of Babel.
So you're sure it's not generating these requests that you're making? It's already there present.
It's got 10 to the power of 46,077 books. And then each book has... how many pages? It has 3,200 characters on a page. Oh, look, I can't find how many pages there are in a book, but like, there's many. You know, it's
Yeah. So basically, all the books ever was written and ever will be written is in that text file.
Yeah, somewhere.
Do you sincerely believe this?
Man, you just gotta. So like, here's what you have to do, and it's like it's conclusive. Like you'll realize, and then you'll be like, wow, is everything real, or is it just like, you know, are any of my ideas actually original? You go onto it, you download the entire thing. Okay, it's massive. It's gigabytes big. Okay.
So if we
And then
say,
you can
if we type, does Roman exist? Would it tell us whether you exist or not?
No, it'll just contain that question. Does Ronan exist?
So then it will give out a false answer. Then.
No, it's not going to give an answer. You haven't defined an answer. You define a sentence and it'll contain the sentence, not necessarily the answer.
So if we type whether you exist or not, can it tell us the answer?
No.
It can't.
No. But if I find out how I exist, okay,
But do you know that you
I know the
exist?
answer, and the answer is just like banana, strawberry, apple. If I type banana, strawberry, apple, it's going to be there.
Are you certain of your existence? Do you exist?
Sorry?
Do you believe you exist?
Do I believe I exist? I don't know. Probably. Maybe. I think, therefore, I am.
Is there anything that you're certain of?
That's fine. That's fine.
Is there anything you're certain of?
Absolutely not.
So
Are you certain about that statement?
Sorry?
Are you certain about that statement?
Well, no, because we could all not be real. This could all be a dream, you know?
So you cannot be certain about anything.
I'm as certain as far as, like, the dream goes, yeah. But, like, no, you can't really be certain, can you? Are you certain about everything?
Many things.
Are you sure you're not dreaming? Are you sure you're not dreaming?
I may be dreaming it right now.
Right. So
We
you
might be
can't
having
really be- you
that.
can't
We
really be
might
certain
actually
anyway.
we might be having this conversation in a dream.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you can't be certain
Isn't
of
it?
anything, right? Because it's a dream.
So basically, you're arguing in a dream, right? That's also in a dream. This is part of the dream.
I felt pain in a dream before.
Yeah.
When you lie in your arm
Yeah.
the wrong way, you know,
You
like
know,
it's.
this whole thing could be a dream, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it could.
Yeah. even that tower, even that library could be part of a dream.
Because you can run like, you know, if
That library of Babel could be a part of a dream as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
you're dreaming about that library.
Either everything is fake, okay, or we pretend that statement doesn't exist. Because anytime you can say, "Oh, we're living in a simulation," you know, this is all a dream. You know,
who made that text file?
Everyone's just on drugs.
Ronan, who made that text file?
Oh, it's on their website. Let me just check the Wikipedia of it.
So he has all the manuals of how to make weapons of mass destruction as well, right?
Created by Brooklyn Northern coder Jonathan Bassel.
Yeah. So it has all the books and manuals of how to make nuclear weapons. What is Iran doing? Have they not got hold of this? What is okay? Iran has the nuclear weapons already, perhaps.
640 volumes. It explains how the algorithm works here to generate all the books. You know, if possible.
I'm not asking about generating. I'm simply saying. So it has all the winning numbers of the lottery. So people are wasting their time buying lottery tickets.
No.
What do you mean?
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it has the answers written down. We don't know them yet.
What do you mean you don't know?
It's the same as you saying, like, you know, whatever about religion. You know, it could be true. But
does it have all the newspapers from tomorrow?
Yes.
Right. So all people need to know is which newspaper has the winning lottery numbers from tomorrow.
That's not the point. We're not in tomorrow yet. We don't know what those papers are going to
So
say.
that text file doesn't have tomorrow's newspapers in it?
Does, but we don't know what the title is. When we know what the title is, we can search for it.
Do you know a name of a newspaper of this country? Give me a name of the newspaper.
Man, I don't read newspapers. I don't know any.
Okay, give me a name of a news agency that you know of. BBC?
Sky News.
Sky, right. So Sky News, 21st of June 2021. Is it difficult to search on that text file?
Well, we'll do it now.
Do it now, and then find out, you know, what happened.
It's not going to say the news title, but if you search for Sky News June 2021, those words are going to be in a book on a page in the library.
Yeah, and find those, you know, the front page.
It's not going to immediately say after it, like, oh, and the news title for the
Can you not find the front page of that newspaper?
Strange dog was found flying
What
in the sky.
What about getting the front page of a newspaper called Times? Can you not find that?
Man, look, again, we're sauntering around the point here. I'm just saying there's this thing that has 3,200 characters of anything that ever has been generated. There's only 20,
do you know how
26
small this 3,200 character is?
Yeah.
Then how can it have all of the books ever written?
Because you just split everything up into 3,200 character pieces. So as soon as you get to the end, then you need to find the next bit, you search for the next bit. It's already there.
No, it's okay, he's has one.
Already got one.
He's got one.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah. So that whole Quran, if you search a statement, it's in there, right?
Yeah, right. So the way it would work is we go to like page 1 or whatever. I assume we can skip the contents.
Yeah.
Forward here, we go 3,200 characters down. We search for that, that'll be there. Then we start again, go 3,200 characters down, then that'll be there. Then we go 3,200 characters down, and then the next 3,200 characters will be there. You know, maybe not directly after each other.
Is it possible that you've misunderstood the website?
No, not at all. I think you're misunderstanding the website, and I think you should definitely give it a go.
No, I've questioned you in terms of how it works.
Yes.
So you're basically saying everything that's ever going to be written is already in there in that text file.
Yeah.
Once you've downloaded it. How big is it? Is it downloadable?
Huge, yeah, huge.
Is it downloadable?
Yeah.
So it's downloadable. How many gigabytes?
It'll take a few days to download it properly. Yeah. You can do it.
Now, does it make sense? Anything of the future is already written in that text?
Does it make sense?
Does it make sense to you?
It's not telling the future.
I'm not asking you it's telling the future. A book that is written in the future, you're saying it's already there within the text file.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, of course it does.
So what are scientists doing all this research? They can just wait then and search that particular reference that is there.
That's not it, man. You're trying to project as if this is some kind of future-telling device, of which it's not.
It's there. It's already there, written.
Yeah, exactly. It is.
Yeah.
But that's irrelevant.
It's not about relevant or irrelevant. If I want to know, for example, what is the publication of a particular field, It's there within that.
What are you trying to prove here? I'm saying there's a site that has any combination of 3,200 characters. Okay.
I'm saying
you're trying to say that the algorithm hasn't generated a 3,200 character random mix.
It's not about generating. You say it's there already.
That's because it's being generated.
Stop it. You can stop it. So I'm saying is,
It's not interesting enough.
no, because you have to go, right? We're just trying to find your friend. Where is he? Where's your friend?
They're over there.
Yeah. Tell me if you have to go, that's it. But what I'm saying is...
I'll leave as soon as they come over.
Okay. So what I'm interested in is very idea that you have a text file in which everything that ever was written, ever will be written, is already there present within that text file. Yeah? So
As I said, right,
including
3,200 character chunks.
including our conversation. It's already there present. Yeah. So this text file contains everything. And how did they do it?
Sorry?
How did they do it?
So they just generate it, right? Using a random algorithm function, okay? I'm a computer science student, so I know about this. So basically they just run it through, it picks a random letter each time, okay? And it's based off the algorithm from random.org. It's not like perfect, but it's pretty good. But you can check for every other page that's come before to check that there aren't any like duplicates of the same page. Right? So it'll just generate randomness, like random characters. It might be like a Q, an R, a Z, a T, or whatever. But eventually it'll get a proper word, okay? And just because it's running so many times, it'll generate a lot of like proper words beside each other. So eventually you'll get like sentences that make sense, and then eventually you'll get sentences that you wanted to search for. So if we want to search for the dog jumped over the cat, you'll find it. You might find the dog jumped, the dog cat jump, like in different parts, but eventually, due to like the nature of the algorithm running and the amount of space that it has to run, it'll eventually type in the dog jumped over the cat.
What I would like you to think is this: there are many books that people have published but not yet digitized.
Yeah.
How does it come in that text file?
Sorry?
How does that appear in the text file?
Because it doesn't matter. Like, it's every word. It's not about a specific book.
I'm asking about the word.
Every
Does
word
it have
combination under 3,200 characters.
Does it have? Look, I can get a dictionary,
Yeah.
and that dictionary produces every word that we speak. It doesn't mean it's replicating every sentence that I'm
Tell you
speaking.
what, it probably has every single dictionary definition in it.
Right. So you're saying it can have up to 3,200 characters, everything that we've said so far, in that chronological order, word by word, sentence by sentence.
Which, sorry, what did you say at the beginning there?
So if we were to search now our conversation that we had, if we were to type our conversation that we had the last few minutes, this particular text file will have that in chronological order, every single word, sentence and paragraph.
Everything up until 3,200 characters,
Yeah.
right? So if our conversation exceeds that, which it definitely does,
No, let's limit to 3,200 characters.
Right.
It will have all of that,
we
right?
probably have to search for the first part. After 32, we probably have to search for the second part.
What I'm saying is, if we were to limit to 3,200 characters,
Yeah.
so that particular piece, whether it's like 1 page or 2 page or whatever, right? Let's say 3,200 characters is 5 pages. So that 5 pages of conversation that is now transcribed, it will have all of it in the right sequence, in the exact way that we have spoken.
As I said, it's 3,200 characters. That's the limit. So
I am saying
we can search for
within that limit.
and then we can
Within
find
that limit, I'm telling you.
confirm it right up until that part.
I am
ends.
saying-
And then we're like, right, the other half of the conversation. Let's search for that.
Ronan,
Another 3,200.
Ronan, I am saying,
Like every combination of 3,200 characters in a row.
It's been generated in the library of Babel. This website. Check it out.
Yeah, so the answer to your question is yes. The fact
I said every up to 3,200 characters in chronological order. Every letter, every word, every sentence, every paragraph is there in chronological order. Not just one word there and one word there in some other bit file. No, exactly the same that we said. In fact, you've been listening to our few minutes. Everything I said, if I were to transcribe them, you'll find exactly like that in the text file.
Come on, let's just do it. Give me a sentence. Say something right now. Say a sentence.
Okay, say something right now. Search that and find the previous discussion that we had already over there.
Okay. But then
No. Give me the last 3 sentences you said before that. Then.
Yeah, give me the last 3 sentences. Stop with that. Then it should have all the last 3 sentences even before that, right?
no, but you need to
Because you need the
add
last 3
input.
sentences before the last 3.
Hang on.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
You
Okay.
implied to everyone that everything that you say, everything that will be ever written in the future is there in the text file.
Yeah, but then you just said like, this sentence.
Okay, write
and then
that.
Whatever it said before, just have it appear.
Write
okay?
it. Write
No,
it.
We have to search
Give
for
me-
it.
no.
Because you're asking me to search for something that
Search
you
for.
are not defining.
Give me the last 3 sentences. Search for that.
Is it like the input can be up to 3,200 characters, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in that
Go and
case,
search that, search that.
any single part of this conversation that's less than 3,200 characters, you can input it into there, and it would have that exact set of 3,200 characters in order.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Okay, so what's
I'm just
the
giving you-
exact
What
input?
I'm
would
gi-
you like to search?
Yeah,
No,
what's the
I'm
exact
just giving.
input?
Give me the
I'm going to-
exact sentence you want to find.
I'm going to demonstrate to you that you've misunderstood this website. Right? Write that. I am going to demonstrate to you that you have misunderstood the website. Write that sentence.
Yeah, but okay, while he's doing that,
No. Let's do that.
no, but
Let's do that.
afterwards,
Not
you
afterwards.
say, oh, but
Let's do
before that, it has something different. But that's
hang
obviously
on.
the case. But if you added that new input that contains
Right.
both
I am
things,
going
then
to
it would-
demonstrate to you.
Exactly.
Go on,
He's
say
got
that.
it. He's got it.
Go on, say it.
If that's the point, then we're already there.
Type it.
I'm going to demonstrate to you now that you have
Understood the website.
misunderstood this conversation.
But then what's the previous sentence that you want to demonstrate?